Hey guys, you're back with MBI. As I told you the other day, I was going to bring you the Android side of this dongle, our wireless dongle. This does do CarPlay and Android Auto. I like it because it's like a little USB flash drive, so super simple. And I am in a 16 Sierra, but again, as long as you have an Android Auto, you can run this wirelessly. So if your vehicle came factory and doesn't have wireless functionality, you can add this fairly cheap. If you want to upgrade to CarPlay and Android Auto, we can do that and give you wireless functionality with this. If you've already upgraded and still want wireless functionality, we can get you hooked up with this. So got you covered. So all I'm going to do is plug it in down here in the USB port. We're going to let that projection icon change. The initial first time does take a minute for it to. So it's asking, do we want to switch? And from there, so initially it is going to show you the CarPlay icon. You have to push that. Now you need to pair your Android phone. Okay, so again, I'm not an Android user, but I think this is how you do it. Go to your Bluetooth. It's going to scan, go all the way down at the bottom. It's already picked it up. Just agree, pair. You'll see it just switched off here. And it's going to take a second for that to pop back up. This does take a second for it to do that. And boom, we have Android Auto. So
after nearly 200 years of mitigating risk,
and some kind of a message up here.
As leaders in commercial property.
Okay, so I got a message on my phone. It's telling me to go to the vehicle and press it. So you'll see that change to Android Auto. Get rid of that. Sorry, guys. And there we go. Wireless Android Auto on the truck as well. So again, this will do CarPlay and or Android Auto. Does them both. Obviously, you can't do both phones at the same time, but whichever user you are, this thing will get you covered. And it works well. I've been pretty impressed. It does seem to auto-connect pretty solid every time you get in the vehicle and fairly quickly. So that initial setup is what takes the longest. After that, when you get in your truck, it's usually only about 20 to 30 seconds and it's popped back up. So there you have it, guys. For more information, message us. Reach out on the website, gm-navigation.com. We do have a page specifically for this. Happy to chat with you there. We have a little chat feature there on the website. That is the best way to reach us. Or just hit us right here on Facebook and or YouTube if you're watching this on YouTube when we put it there. And with that said, thanks for watching. Have yourself a great day.